Mara, and today I'm going to show you simple ways on how to play ping pong even if you are inside your room. So we'll just need two things. First, the paddle, and second, the ping pong ball. So let's first start with the basics on how to hold a paddle. So what you need to do is make a check mark with your hand like this. And then hold the upper handle of the paddle with the three fingers starting from your pinky to your middle finger like this. And then press your index finger into the paddle. And lastly, your thumb needs to go to the other side. Put it on the other side like that. So just remember that the paddle must be in between your thumb and your index finger. We also need to familiarize ourselves with the two sides of the paddle. So we have the forehand, where your thumb is, and we also have the backhand, where your index finger is. So forehand, backhand. There you go! So now we're ready to play. Okay, so this activity is called the paddle bounce. So basically, you just need to let the ball bounce in the paddle while doing an upward motion like this. Right, so first, let's try it with the forehand where your thumb is. Okay, it goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? So now let's try it with the backhand where your index finger is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And now, let's try something challenging. Let's try to do it in both sides. So your forehand and the backhand, try to catch it and let it all bounce. Okay, so ready? Good job, guys! So now if you don't have a ping pong paddle, let's try to improvise and use the frying pan. Right. So let's see how this works. Something that you can just do even if you're within your bubble. So yeah, that was our quick ping pong stay-at-home activity. Enjoy and stay safe.